Hi, today I have new and unique trick for welder lovers. And this video is so satisfied for all types of welders. Because the welding method of this trick is going so amazing and weld it smoothly. Watch full video and don't skip this. I have a question from viewers. Tell me the name and procedure of this welding and comment. Also introduce yourself. We just want to know how many welders like our videos. Write your country name in comment. And share this video with friends. Now watch the second step and simple idea. We weld on angle iron. Some welder weld angle iron directly. And that is not proper welded. We bring amshing and simple idea for angle iron weld strongly. Watch every step carefully and use this method in daily practices. And works. I hope you learn. Alote from my video, subscribe and share my channel for more videos. Thanks.